In this video, we will cover tabs and headers in Google Docs. Start by opening up a Google Doc. On the left-hand side, you can click on this icon and that will show your tabs and outlines. Let's go ahead and open this up. I currently only have a single tab, and typically it will default to being called tab 1 or tab 2, depending on how many you have. One way that I can navigate this document is by scrolling up and down. However, an easier way of navigating this is by clicking on these different headers and subheaders to get to a specific part of the document. I'd like to get back to the top, so I'll click on the title. One way that you can collapse this is by clicking on this, and I'd like to rename this tab. So I'll click on those three dots, then click on Rename. I'll call this Winter 2026 because these are my Potty Picayune articles for Winter 2026, but I'd like to create a new tab, and I can click on this plus sign here that says Add Tab, and I'll rename this one for my next quarter, which is Spring 2026. Now I have some text, and I'd like to highlight the top of this because I want my title to be Potty Picayune. So I'll come up to this ribbon and I'll click on the various styles, and heading 1 should be applied to the title of the document. So I'll highlight the text, then click Apply Heading 1. And then Spring 2026 Week 1 will serve as my first header, and I'll highlight it, then go to Apply Heading 2. Lastly, this thing here, I will highlight that, and I'd like that to be my subheader. So for that one, I'll apply heading 3. Now, to open up an outline, you can click on the tab, and you can see here now I have created my headers and subheaders that will help me navigate this document. I can go back to other tabs. If I click on it again, it will open up the outline with all the headers and subheaders, and that will allow me to navigate through this document more easily. And this also creates a more accessible document for screen readers. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching.